Hey everyone, it's almost 50 degrees out here in February in Omaha, Nebraska. So I thought I would grab my X100v and my X-Pro3 with the 33mm 1.4, and I'd go and get a couple photos of these little abandoned gas pumps. They're just left there from a gas station that used to be there in a little town called Brainerd, Nebraska. Brainerd is a town of like 300 and something people. Pretty small, classic small town Nebraska. So I thought that was a reason enough to go get a photo of these things. I got photos of those gas pumps probably, 15 years ago with my Canon 10 or 20D, and I have not been back to take pictures of those since. So why not do that today? So come along with me, small town Nebraska, a little trip, and we're gonna see if we can find a couple of more things to photograph along the way. All right, first stop of the day, we have a tank. Small town, Nebraska, and beyond. Some of the little towns have tanks at parks and playgrounds and stuff. This is at a VFW. And like if you drive by a tank, you have to take a picture of a tank, especially if you can get a flag in the photo too. And the sky's decent, so we'll see what we can do. The tank shots worked out pretty well. I think they look pretty good on the back of the camera at least. And now it's stop number 2 right here. You can see this little abandoned house there. And the land's kept up really nicely and all that stuff, but nobody's living there. You can see the steps are not even there. But the light is pretty cool and directional. So I'm gonna get this shot. I'm gonna use the X100v again. Let's do that. And I'm gonna use pretty much fully automatic because the light is so beautiful. It's so much light that I'm comfortable with just shooting it on automatic mode for this. You gotta just love this stuff. Driving around the country, it's beautiful weather out, and getting some photos, enjoying the world. Rural Nebraska. I can't say rural. Well, that's a hard, can you say that? Rural, like 5 times in a row? I can't say it once. But small town Nebraska is pretty fun to photograph. I know that's overlooked on many people's maps. Like they don't think about a destination of, hey, I'm gonna go take pictures in Nebraska. But man, I love this place. I love all the cool little towns and the character, the people that I meet. It's a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy being along these rides with me. Do you all remember David Letterman in the 90s? When he was doing mail, I think, he would say, coming to you from the home office in Wahoo, Nebraska. Well, that's where the town I'm passing. I just found a cool little composition here and the sign that says Wahoo. So I thought I'd share that with y'all. Plus I gotta get out, my back is hurting. So I got this road. I'll show you here in a second. And the reason I'm inside my car all the time, because it's really windy out there, but I've got this cool road, cool shadows because it's the golden light hour. And then just this cluster of clouds directly down the road, right? The clouds are nowhere else. The clouds are moving kind of quickly, so I got to get the shot, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we're in Brainerd, and the sign said 351 people are here, and it's a small little town. I got my gas pumps I passed, but I haven't really explored Brainerd too much, so we're gonna get a couple shots here, and then go get those gas pumps. All right, I'm at the gas pumps, and I forgot how bad traffic is right here, so I hope you don't, if this is the last video I ever make, I hope that isn't because I'm dead. So let's see. Well, that was the gas pump adventure in Brainerd, Nebraska. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know how I did. And if you like this small town Nebraska adventure type stuff with Fujifilm or whatever other camera I might come across. So until next time, we'll see you later.